Hey guys, in this video, I'll share with you 3 essential data skill sets that you want to master this year. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Yui and I've been working in the data space for over 10 years now. The start of the year is a very good opportunity for us to either learn a new skill or level up our existing skill. I'll be sharing some skills that I've used as a data professional over the years. Let's get to it. So the first skill that we want to learn is data automation and scripting. When you're starting out, you'll probably be using Python and an IDE such as Jupyter or Anaconda to create your scripts. And one way to level up is to use containers such as Docker. Using containers ensure that we get the same results every time. We get the same libraries, the same Python versions, etc. When working with Docker, you want to learn how to create an image, how to stop an image, and how to start an image. Once you've learned how to use containers, you can then move on to the cloud. Using the cloud allows you to run these containers anywhere. Using the Google Cloud Platform, you can use Artifact Registry for your containers. You can then use Cloud Run or Cloud Functions to run your scripts. You can then use these containers in Cloud Run. Alternatively, you can use Cloud Functions for simpler tasks. Then lastly, you can use Cloud Scheduler to schedule your tasks if you want them to run every day or every hour. And so to master data automation and scripting, you want to start working with your Python scripts locally, try to containerize them using Docker, and then deploy these containers into the cloud and set up an automated process. At the end, you'll want to have something that runs by itself with minimal supervision. The next skill you want to learn is analytics engineering. When you're starting out, you use basic SQL to retrieve data. You can then use advanced SQL to create tables, views, materialize views, make use of indexes, etc. And this allows you better flexibility over your datasets. With that, you can learn data modeling, which involves creating star schemas, using facts and dimension tables, and relationships among these tables. The data model is the backbone of any reporting framework. As your data grows, you want to make sure that the accuracy is there. And that's where modeling frameworks like dbt comes into play. dbt is a modeling framework that creates your data, tests your data, and documents your data. And so you're using basic SQL, creating these tables, creating the data marts and data models, and also maintaining the accuracy of your data system using dbt. And the last skill you want to master is data integration and connectivity. To start, you can use managed tools like Fivetran or Airbyte that takes care of all the connections for you. You just have to authenticate them and connect them. As a data professional, it's important that you can work with any types of data, whether they're CSVs, JSON, APIs, or other databases. When working with APIs, you'll learn authentication, working with different types of requests, understanding the data models and the request formats, as well as working with API limits and restrictions. And finally, when you're comfortable with APIs, you can learn event-driven architectures and change data capture. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.